5 minus 5 multiply 5 minus 5 is equal what? Here 5 minus 5 gives us 0. Multiply this 5 minus 5 gives us 0. 0 times 0 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this multiplication, then this subtraction, then this subtraction. Here this 5 minus this 5 times 5 gives us 25 minus this 5. Now I have to work with this subtraction, then this subtraction, because when we have more than one subtraction, then we have to work left to right. Therefore, this 5 minus 25 gives us minus 20 minus this 5. Minus 20 minus 5 gives us minus 25, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.